Alright guys, welcome to RC Mojo. This week we're going to add some more lights to the Scania, but I've not actually had time to get into it. We'll need to take the cab off the chassis and remove the grille so we can modify the two lights at the top. For whatever reason, Tamiya didn't provide any mountings for LEDs, although that doesn't matter too much as we're going to use surface mount RGB LEDs, so we can run them as yellow beacons, white spotlights, or just about anything else. While we've got the cab off, we'll also need to add some LEDs to the visor. There's two thin lenses that have mounts for 3mm LEDs, which is nice. And since we're not going to be doing the work in this video, I thought I'd ask the audience, what colour should we make them? We could make them yellow as running lights, or white, but the lights in the roof will also be white, so maybe that's too much white. Or they can be just about any other colour. We could go with blue to match the paint. The electronics are only rigged for single colour LEDs, so no RGB. So suggestions in the comments please, let's hear some ideas. And incidentally, my diabetes is gradually coming under control. It's in the green most of the time, which is good. A huge difference from a couple of weeks ago, where it was almost in the red constantly. Right, well, sorry for the short video again. Things are gradually getting back to normal, but I seem to be in a phase of problems that need dealing with, but that's just how it goes sometimes. So, as always, thanks for watching, and thanks for putting up with the oddball videos. Like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment if there's something on your mind. Bye guys!